I was delighted to be asked to become a trustee of Rising Tide because it gave me opportunity to bring two interests of mine together. I'm passionate about theatre, acting and writing, but in my professional life as an environmental economist, I work a lot on climate change and adaptation to it, to its impact on human health and the natural environment. The first thing I think about when I see a new play coming on is why that play and why now, because I think the directors especially, but the whole team, select a play, however old that play is, to tell something about something that's important now. And there aren't that many plays who do that for climate change and environment in general. The first thing that I think about when I see a new production is why that play? Why have they chosen to make that play now? Which current topics, which current issues does the play cover? And which ones they want to talk about, which ones they want to raise questions about. In fact, it's better if they don't tell us their answers, but the play asks lots of questions and leaves me wondering what the answers might be. So the best play experiences that I've had are the ones where after leaving the theatre I might talk about 10-15 minutes about what the characters, what the story, what the structure and the lighting and sound were, and then spend 3 hours talking about the issues that the play made me think about and the questions that I asked that I wouldn't normally ask had I not seen the play. And that's why theatre is really powerful. I'm a member of the Adaptation Subcommittee of Climate Change Committee. It's an independent organisation set up by the Climate Change Act in the UK. It provides evidence for climate change policy and it scrutinises government's progress. In 2016, we published a report called Climate Change Risk Assessment, because whether man-made or not, climate is changing. The top two risks in the climate change risk assessment are extreme temperatures and flooding, increased flooding, and they both affect human health, in particular mental health. And mental health impacts of climate change is not something that we used to be worried about, but there's more and more evidence that this is a serious impact. And that's why arts, in particular theatre, could be very helpful. It could be helpful in helping the victims of, say, flooding to share their experiences, but also for the rest of the society to understand what it is, what the experience of being flooded is like. So the remaining risks are about issues like water availability. There being wrong amount of water in the wrong place at the wrong time. They are about risks to food production. 50% of the food we eat in the UK comes from abroad. It's about the quality of habitats, quality of soils and diversity of species we have. It's about new diseases. We can't even predict them at the moment. And all of these will impact on our health, our diet, how we work, how we play, how we relax, really how we live. So when faced with change, we need the arts. We need the arts to communicate the risks. We need the arts to share experiences, to prepare us for the change ahead. And most of all, we need the arts to provoke discussion, provoke action.